Hey parents, screens are part of our world, and that's okay. But Montessori reminds us that real hands on play is what truly builds your child's mind. Let's talk about balancing technology with real life learning. For 3-year-olds, real experiences, touching, smelling, exploring, are essential. When they pour water, stack blocks, or dig in the garden, their brains make deeper connections than when they swipe a screen. Screens can entertain, but they can't replace the sensory magic of real play. You don't have to eliminate screens completely. Instead, set clear times for screen use, like 30 minutes after lunch. Co-watch educational content and discuss it. Encourage movement breaks after screen time, and most importantly, offer meaningful alternatives, crafts, puzzles, nature walks, or kitchen activities. Model balance yourself. Let your child see you reading, cooking, or enjoying time without devices. Kids mirror what they see, not what they're told. Screens can be tools, but life is the real classroom. When we offer more real-world experiences, we nurture creativity, curiosity, and confidence. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with parents who want to bring more balance and more real play into their homes.